Everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to cover the solution to this question, do some lab coding work. Also at the same time I'm going to try to follow the general steps we should follow in a coding interview. So first of all, I would really appreciate that if you can help subscribe to this channel. So let's first get through this problem. Read through it. So guess number higher or lower. So we are playing the guessing game. The game is as follows. I pick a number from 1 to n. You have to guess which number I picked. Every time you guess wrong, I will tell you whether the number I picked is higher or lower than your guess. You call predefined API, which is guess, that will it will have three possible returns: -1, 1, or 0. -1 means the pick is smaller than the number. 1 means I pick a higher than guess. So 0 means it's just equal. So essentially it is like a binary search problem. Not too much to think about the room about the solution. Let's see about the constraints. It says that n is anywhere between 1 to the maximum value of the int 32, and the pick is anywhere between 1 to n. So not too much of the room to think about edge case as well. Pretty regular binary search question. So the runtime is going to be log n, and then space-wise is going to be constant. So let's do some coding work on this on top of this one. So low is equal to 1, and the high is equal to n. So well, the low is smaller than high. Then we are going to have the made to be the made, which is high minus low divided by 2 plus low. So if gas made is equal to 0, then we are just going to return made. Otherwise, okay, so we need to have this one to store like because we don't really want to call it multiple times. So if RE is equal to that one, then we are just going to return made. So if RE is smaller than is equal to -1, so -1 means the pick is smaller than the number. So we are going to search on the right part. So it should be like low is equal to made plus 1. Otherwise, it means we should search on the left part, which is high is equal to made minus 1. So that's pretty much it, I think. And finally, let's say we just return like a -1 at the end. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, I would say. So let's run through this code. Okay, so RE, if RE is equal to 0. Okay, so it's wrong answer. Let's see why it is wrong. So we have the made as this one. Okay, the number. So if it is -1, that means the number I pick is lower than your guess. If it's lower than your guess, then I need to. The number I pick is lower than your guess, so your guess is actually higher. So I need to search on the right part. Yes. If it's equal to 1, that means the number I pick is higher than your guess. So if the number I pick is higher than your guess, well, if the number I pick is higher than your guess, then I need to. The number I pick is higher than your guess. So if the number I pick is higher than your guess, okay, I need to search on the right part. Okay, so it's actually the reverse way. So yep, so that's actually the reverse way. I guess something in my mind. Okay, so let's do a summation on top of it. Okay, so again, a wrong answer. Let's see why. Oh, that's because that's an edge case I actually missed. So if n is equal to 1, then we are never jumping into this one, this loop. So instead, I think we just return n. Okay, so another wrong answer. That's quite embarrassing. So we have n as equal to 3 and choose a 1. So the output is 3, but exact is 1. Well, it should be smaller or lower. So let's say I have the 3 and 1. Let's run through this one. Alright, so yeah, quite embarrassing, but we finally got it right. So first one, some edge case think about, and then it should be, so if you write in this way, like a traditional binary search, we should have this like low, smaller, equal to high. So that's pretty much it. And that's pretty much it about this question. If you have any question regarding the solution or whatever, feel free to leave some comments below. If you like this video, please help subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.